NPS is and remains committed to partner and support IEBC to conduct and deliver a free, fair, and credible 2022 general election. Finally, with regard to investigation revolving around electoral stickers recently imported into the country, I wished to inform Kenyans that the matter has been resolved.
Today's meeting, as you all know, arises from the issues about the stickers. As the IG has said, that has been resolved. The issue is settled. And going forward, we have committed to work together. And if there's any issue, we shall discuss as the National Police and as the Commission any issue affecting elections. So we appeal to Kenyans to turn up in large numbers and exercise their democratic right on the 9th of August. It also come to our attention that there are some people who are going around in a few areas buying IDs from voters. That information we have passed over to the Inspector General of Police, and action will be taken on those individuals who are going around buying IDs from Kenyans who are registered voters. We appeal to Kenyans, please don't sell the ID, don't sell your right, your democratic right and constitutional right to vote.